RSI, or Relative Strength Index indicator, is the most reliable leading indicator. A leading indicator can give predictions in advance. Many traders use only RSI indicator for day trading and swing trading. In this video, I am going to reveal some tricks that could improve your trading to a greater level. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator, that is a line graph that moves between two extremes, and it can have a reading from 0 to 100. A stock is usually considered overbought when the RSI is above 70% and oversold when it is below 30%. The line chart of the price and RSI looks similar. However, we can notice some differences in some places. This change in the movement of price and RSI in opposite direction is called as divergence, which is used by the traders as a reliable indication of trend reversal. Here I am using Zero the Kite application for demonstrating the process of adding RSI indicator and simple moving averages of price and RSI. To add the indicators, go to Studies. In the search box, type RSI. Then the RSI will appear in the drop down list. Now I am going to add the simple moving average indicator. So type simple moving average in the search box. By default the period is 50. Leave the defaults. And now I am going to add another simple moving average for the period of 20. So to make a difference, I am changing the color to green. Then click done. Now we have added two simple moving averages, one with period 50, another with period 20. Now I am going to add two more simple moving averages on RSI. First I am adding a 50 period simple moving average, and the field is RSI. So we have to change the field from close to RSI. Similarly, I am going to add another simple moving average, set the period 20, change the color from red to green, and click done. We have added another simple moving average of 20 period of the field RSI. Also we can change the levels for overbought and oversold. By default it will be 80-20. We are changing it to 70-30. And also we can set the color for overbought and oversold zone. Now we will see how RSI indicator can be used to get leading indications. On 3rd August 2021 at 11:15 am, there is a moving average crossover happened in the price chart. But this crossover had already happened in the RSI chart on 30th July 2021 at 15:15 pm itself. That is 2 trading days before itself, we can expect this crossover to happen in the price. Similarly, on 19th February 2021 at 10:15 am, there is a moving average crossover happened in the price chart. But this crossover had already happened in the RSI chart on 18th February 2021 at 9:15 am itself. That is 1 trading day before itself, we can expect this crossover to happen. This is called leading indication. Now we'll see how we can use RSI for making advanced predictions about breakout. First, we'll see the concept called bullish swing rejection and breakout. It is also called as ascending W pattern. Actually, it is a magic formula used by advanced traders to locate accurate reversal positions. It has 3 stages. The first stage is a reversal happens after a fall in price. Second, a rejection of reversal happens. In third stage, a breakout happens above the level of rejection. This price action forms an ascending W pattern. Similarly, bearish swing rejection and breakout. It is also called as descending M pattern. It is a magic formula to locate accurate reversal positions of bearish trend. It has 3 stages. First, a reversal happens after an overbought in price. Second, a rejection of reversal happens. In third stage, a breakout happens below the level of rejection. This price action forms a descending M pattern. If you like the content of this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channels Swing Strategy and Swing Strategy Tamil. For more details on technical strategies and analysis, subscribe our channel. Weekly stock analysis available in our playlist. Thanks for watching.